Hello from Slovenia again. I already poured some black base on my canvas, and I will do shades of gold today with some black and pearl white. I bought yesterday, me and Erica from Erica Art we were in Austria to buy some things, art stuff, and I did bought some metallic paints that I don't know, want to try today. They are European brand, SKEWER or something, and I have light gold, deep gold and green gold, and of course black and white. And I will start with just a little bit of black, and oops, maybe this is too thick, and this deep gold, and black again, there are a little different consistency in this kind of light gold. It's not light, but I like this shades, all shades. I think that I have to add a little water to this deeper gold, deep gold, because it was a bit, and this looks like that it will take over completely. I don't know, maybe a little more black and green gold. This one is beautiful, and black again, and let's add some pearl white. Oops. What was that? And black again, and deep gold again, oop, and black, and this lighter gold, they are more like bronze colors, but I really like them so. Let's see how this will look. And this green gold, this one should be nice with some reds. Black again, and pearl white, should I do another row? Let's do black again, and this deep, it's almost like bronze. This is looks bronze, and black, and this lighter one, Really curious how this will react. And green gold. Black again. And pearl white again. I don't know. Maybe these paints will not be good for my flower dips, but they are definitely beautiful, so maybe I can use it for something else. I will start with black again. And this deep gold. Black again. I think that because they have a little different consistency, maybe I mix them too thick, I don't know. We will see. Black and green gold. Black. I will not add pearl white here. I will just end up with layering paints. Just have to add some black here where I don't see any lacing, so let's see what will happen. Put this aside. And I will spray my paper napkin. With water only. I'm really curious how this will work. Maybe it will not work at all. I'm just hoping for some gold lacing. And I'm hoping that it will not be too dark. And I didn't get much lacing with this, just with white. Oh, it looks so dark on camera. It's not so dark. You can't see this shimmer. Just a second. Is this better? No, because it's so dark. I can't show you this shimmer. They are really, really shimmery, and I hope that I will be able to catch this on photo if I can't on the camera. I'm not sure about these white stripes here. But see this, I get some lacing, and this cells from metallic paints. Maybe I will even touch this white a little bit. Pour some paint over. It has quite a depth. I don't know, maybe I will just leave it, because it will be really shiny when it will dry. See all these different shades of gold, kind of. I love it. I will leave it like it is. I will leave it to dry and hope that it will dry as I think that it should, with all these gorgeous metallics in it. So, sorry, it was hard to catch these colors on camera, but I hope that it will dry okay, and I will show you some dry result, and then you will see the real beauty of it. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.